Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to try to make a fume extractor, and for this fume extractor we are going to need a fan for sure. This one is 8 by 8 centimeters. It's driven by 12 volts, and we're going to require an adapter for sure, 12 volts adapter, and I'm going to use this jack in order to connect the adapter to the fan. I'm going to use this Apple TV's cardboard, and I'm going to try to make some housing for our extractor. Last but not least, I'm going to use this fiber cloth in order to make some kind of a filter for our fume extractor. Later I decided to use the fans box instead. It's going to fit much better, I guess. Let's see if it works with soldering iron as well. It's getting the fume directly. So we can say that we've done a very practical fume extractor.